I'm Alex Morin, and in this PIERO we are installing PIERO on Ubuntu. It can be a good idea to back up your presets and assets using the PIERO Asset Manager before proceeding. Do note when installing a PIERO update, the new version will work alongside the old. If you are doing a build your own box and you just installed our custom Ubuntu ISO, it's worth double checking your BIOS settings are correct. Details can be found on the Ubuntu install guide. If you've installed our custom ISO, you'll find a download link on the HTML file on the desktop. Existing customers will receive updates via email. Don't hesitate to contact Rust support if you'd like a PIERO installer sent to you. Once we have our installer, we'll simply run the file. This will load the Ubuntu installer. Clicking install will start the install. After the install is complete, we'll see a lot of shortcuts placed on the desktop to various PIERO sources. We'll get back to these later. First, right-click on the PIERO launcher and allow launching. Now when I double-click, it will launch the PIERO launcher. And that's it, we successfully installed PIERO on Ubuntu.